What's up, everybody? Yo, look at this. I just got a Dyson vacuum for Christmas. It's like the Mercedes-Benz of vacuums. Young Dan would be so pissed that like older Dan is happy about getting a vacuum for Christmas. You know what I mean? Got like a trigger. It comes with a long tube too, so I can get those hard to reach places, you know what I mean? Like the butt cracks of Charlie. I'm just kidding, I would never do that, Char. What's up, everybody? I hope everybody had a great Christmas or a great holiday season. I told you guys I'd see you before the end of 2019, and here we are, still in 2018. If you guys have not picked up a hoodie from the Diamond Club yet, you guys can still get them. Link in the description down below. We also have satin bomber jackets, red, black, pink. Okay, let's get into this. Today we're gonna do part 2 of unboxing items I bought from the Buying Every Ad I See Black Friday edition. What started as one product being a scam, which was the smart side table. That was a scam. However, I didn't expect there to be 4 other potential scams in the mix. The permanent match. Still have not heard back from them, nor have I received the item. The automatic toothbrush. In all fairness, a lot of you guys were commenting that, Dan, the automatic toothbrush, you probably won't get it. Or if you do get it, it's not gonna be what's advertised. Okay, you're right. The spot remover. Now, let's be honest here, I'm not gonna do tattoo removal or like mole removal at home with this thing. Did not get that, did not hear back from them either. And last but not least, the phone charger spy camera. Simple item, didn't get that either. Let's get to it, guys. We're gonna unbox some items here. Boom. Let's start with, we'll start with this guy right here. I don't know why, but these always feel like there's something good inside, you know? Let me ask you guys, do you watch unboxings because, no, stupid question. Forget it. Ooh, packing peanuts. Now, I've heard these taste salty or something when you lick them. These smell legit like rice cakes. Charlie's looking at me like, yo, wanna save one for me? They're not edible, man. So we have inside, packing peanuts, we have a note. Thank you for your order. From Shannon and Garen. You know, if I ever met a Shannon and a Garen, I would say they should get married. Very like, coupley name. Like, I need a Shannon to my Garen. I need a Shannon. So inside it comes with, ooh. Comes with this little baggy, cream colored ooze. Is that everything? No, okay, can't forget whatever this is. I'm not sure what that is. That's it for the box, peanuts. Oh, it's wax. This is wax for the wood. Okay, so this is the Xbox controller mount. It's got their logo, geek made. Little rubber stoppers here. Okay, a little bit of a closer look here. So all they did was carve out these little things that look like dicks, and then you just go ahead and plop it in, and it's like, it's a perfect footprint. This product's pretty straightforward. I mean, it's just to display your controllers in a nicer way. Instead of just having them like chilling like that, you can almost make a sort of display with them. It's much cleaner, much nicer. Such a better way to display your controllers. And they do have this for the PS4, I believe the Switch. All right, next item. Oh. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my God, let me tell you about this little box right here. This one caused me so many issues crossing the border. That's what we have inside. Boom, nothing else. It was the Vi in-ear Bluetooth headphones. I just got in-ear Bluetooth headphones. So I'm gonna see how these compare. Okay, so here's the Bluetooth headphones. Boom. First off, it's telling you to download the app. There's the headphones right there. There's like a pull tab, you pull that. Oh, okay. And what's in this little box? Just different ear tips. And of course, the USB cable to charge them. I'm gonna test these guys out. I always hate testing audio and videos because you guys won't be able to understand how good of the quality these are or bad. So right off the bat, I can tell you guys that Bose has much better packaging because it comes with this padded case. They are the exact same length, the two of them. The Bose Sound Sport has a clip that'll clip onto your shirt so you're not gonna lose them, whereas this one does not. They both have controllers on them to turn up the volume, to change the track. There's an extra button that says Vi on it right here. Let's go ahead and test these out and see which ones actually sound better. The Sound Sport is a lot more meatier. They weigh almost the same. Oh, these are gonna fall out for sure. Yeah, those will not stay in at all. Oh, this is not clear at all. It sounds like it's from a toaster. All right, let's play a song. Not bad. Not bad at all. The Bose Sound Sport has way more fuller sound compared to these guys. This is a little bit bulkier and the cord feels a lot cheaper, but overall, usable. But let me mention something. When I got these, they were such a pain in the ass to get over the border for some reason. I had to pay additional fees. All right, next item. This one wins the award, I think, out of all of them. This one wins the award for best packaging. So it's so detailed, man. Look at that. I believe this is the Nintendo Switch skin. It's not a product. It's a culture. Okay, that's everything. Oh, packing peanut. Alright, so as I mentioned, it comes in this vinyl envelope. It's got the 2 microfiber cloth. I wanted to camo my Nintendo Switch out, so it looks like it comes with 2, unless I'm missing something here. Let's go ahead and try and apply one of these. A huge plus that this company offers is they've got these really high quality videos on how to actually apply it.
If you just got your D-brand Nintendo Switch skin or tempered glass, relax. This is going to be easy.
Okay, so after watching the tutorial video, it looks like we need a hairdryer to apply this for heat. Let's go ahead and take the Joy-Con out. Because we're gonna do the precision one. This one wraps all edges. The simple fit is easy, but this will actually look better if we're going for the whole camo look. And it says rub the edges. Now we just flatten it out. Apparently we have to apply heat with a hairdryer to this part sticking out. Yo, that was way easier than I thought it was gonna be. Look at that, that looks badass. Went on perfect, so it covers all sides. It is extremely close to the edges. In fact, you can't even see the original underside. So that's the D-brand skins. You can also mix and match. You can do all custom. Next item, this one was one of the only ones that shipped with FedEx. Oh, okay, so this just fell out. Got a snowflake on it. Oh, the tile, that's right. This thing is like you put it on a keychain and you don't actually end up losing the keychain. We got 4 of them. Double tap tile mate to make your, oh, no way, that is so sick. This tile, whew. You got a little display window and then bam, there's the 4 tiles. Oh, 3 tiles, okay. Wow. So you gotta get the Tile app for Android or iOS. Activate the tiles, attach it to anything, and never worry about losing your stuff again. All right, let's do this. Wow, it's so magical. So the first step with these guys is we actually have to download the app. So I'm on iPhone now, so we're gonna download the iOS version. Click the tile logo once to begin. It'll play a nice tune. It says activating tile. Tile activated. That was incredibly easy, so this thing's already been activated. So I'm gonna hit find on my phone. Let's just see if this makes a sound. What? So it's gonna keep playing this sound until I actually hit stop on my phone, but double press the button on your tile to ring your phone. Try it. Okay, let's try this. What? You rang your phone from a tile. Oh my god, this thing's amazing. This works even when your phone is on silent. Misplace your phone, ring. Oh my god, this is incredible. Okay, mute my phone. So my phone is on silent. I'm gonna double tap this. That was like instant. It then tells you there's a notification from Tile. I think this is probably one of the best products I've gotten. Backwards compatible. Not only will you find whatever this is attached to, but you could also find your phone as well if you have this. All right, that's the Tile. All right, last but not least, our next item is this bad boy. Bubble wrap. Oh, that's the Blink-182 logo I see right there. Packing slip. We have a t-shirt. Blink-182 shirt. You know, not the nicest shirt, I will say that. Like the pink, blue, and green aren't like the best color combo. In here, it says Blink-182 split personality. I thought it said Blink-182 split personality in the paper. It's actually on the box. This was the vinyl doll. This guy. So it's just like an action figure essentially. Except this radio just kind of like hangs there. So it is the Blink-182 bunny mascot on this side, and it is like the new age Blink-182 smiley face on this side. So they actually have different variants of this. There's an all black one, I think there's an all white one, or something like gold maybe. Cool stat. You know, I'm a Blink-182 fan, more so of their old stuff, but cool little ornament right there. So if I get any of the other items in, or if I hear back, I'll let you guys know, and I'll unbox them on camera still. Make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel and hitting notifications. You know, this will probably be my last video of 2018 before the new year starts, so thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing all year long. If you guys want to pick up some merch, the Danocracy Diamond Club, you guys can do so now. Everything will be getting shipped out this weekend, I believe. There you guys have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Danocracy. My birthday is this Sunday, so that'd be a great birthday gift from you guys. Just follow me on Instagram or subscribe or both. All right, guys, see you in my next video. See you guys later.